Hi everyone, this is Kat with Files Anywhere, and today we're here to go over our file receive links. So in this video, we're going to go over how you can send a receive link through our general link. We can send a file receive link with contacts. We can send a file receive link with Outlook, and then we'll go over our general and advanced settings for our file receive links. All right, so let's get started. To send out a file receive link, what we'll do is we'll log into our account first. Once we're logged in, we're going to select a folder or create the folder in which we want our file receive to show up. In this case, I'm just going to go Documents. From there, you can select our Action menu and drop that down. Navigate to File Receive. Or you could come over to our Ellipses menu over here, all the way on the right. Select that and go down to File Receive. Or last, we can just right click. This is my favorite method. Just right click, File Receive. Then you'll want to create a link. In this case, we'll go ahead and try our link out. That way we can send a file. The message here is going to be optional, but will be available. And then all we want to do is if we wanted to send out a picture, say I'm just going to drag and drop my file right in here. Now you can add files from a list, and then you'll just click up the upload. And you'll see it where it says successfully uploaded. And that's exactly the process that the client will go through as well. Okay, so to send a file receive link with our contacts, we're once again going to locate the folder that we want our file receive link to link to. In this case, we'll go ahead and choose Documents again. I'm going to go ahead and right click, navigate to File Receive, select our file receive, and then if I want to, I can just put in a manual contact just by saying like J Doe at Gmail. Just do G. Or in cases where you've already got a contacts list set up, you can simply go over to your contacts all the way here on the right. Select the contacts, and then you add those selected contacts and close. Once you're done with that, you'll go ahead and navigate to the bottom right to where it says Send Link. Select Send Link, and not only will it show you that your link has been sent, but will also show you who it's been sent to. Next, we're going to send a file receive link with Outlook. And again, we'll locate that folder. In this case, we're going to go to Documents. We'll right-click on Documents, go to File Receive, and then instead of hitting Create Link or Send Link, in this case, we're going to hit Send with Outlook. When you hit Send with Outlook, an Outlook window should pop open as a new mail window. And there, of course, you can put in whoever you want to email the link to, and this right here is what the link will look like. Then you hit your Send button, your email is off. That's all there is to it. All right, now that we've gone over how to send a file receive link, we'll go over our additional settings. So once again, we're going to go ahead and select our folder. We'll right-click on our folder and go down to File Receive. Once we're in File Receive, in the bottom left, you'll see the Settings button. Go ahead and select that so it'll go ahead and drop this menu down. You can remember your choices in this window, and in our advanced window, we'll go over that in just a moment. And that'll remember the settings that you choose in here. Under Upload, we have the Allow Uploads to overwrite files with the same name. So if I uploaded 2 folders named JDO, one would overtake the other. So it's going to overwrite it. You won't get both sets of data there. You can allow a user to upload an entire folder. And then you can also, like, say you're sending this out to Mark, Matt, and Jeff. And with Mark, Matt, and Jeff, you want to know who's uploading to each folder. You can have a subfolder created for each recipient, and they'll put in their name. Or you can have them enter a color or whatever you want their account. You can also add a password protection to make sure only the people that you are sending the link to are able to upload data to you. You can tell it not to display your name or your email address. And then, of course, you can add tracking. So it'll track and send you an email when a file is uploaded, when it's accessed for the first time, and then it'll record that information on your activity log. You can also have it send additional information to other recipients. So if you needed somebody else to receive this tracking information, you would enter their name here. Or once again, we have our contacts icon. We can open that up and we can put our contacts in and just add selected contacts and close, and they'll be right down there. Once you're done here, you'll go ahead and send link, and that is our general settings. All right, now that we've gone over our general settings, we'll slide over to our advanced settings. Once again, you'll see the Remember My Choices, which will allow you to save your settings from this page. Here we can also save the recipients to the contact list. So anybody that we manually enter up here, we can save to our contact list so that the next time we select our contacts button, they show up here. And now here we also have the Sent From address. By default, that is the Files Anywhere address. However, if you have another email on the account, it will go to that email, your primary email on that account. So instead, it might say jdoe@test.com. Down here, you can see the personalized email option via send link. This allows you basically to enter any notes or subject line that's going to show up in an email that'll basically say, hey, there's a new link here. And that's all our settings. And that will conclude our video on FileReceive Links. If you have any additional questions for us or want more information about Files Anywhere, you can visit us at filesanywhere.com, or you can contact us at 1-888-661-6565. You have a wonderful day.